Everybody, this is Miss Jessica for the Nagani Public Library. I am here making a video on how to use Libby. Um, in this case, we're talking about the app that allows patrons like you to use your library card to download free audiobooks, ebooks, and magazines with your library card. So the first thing is if you're using a device such as a phone, you're going to want to go to the Play Store or Apple Store if you're using an Apple iPad or iPhone. So there's the Play Store on my phone. And you go to search. Oops. And in the search bar, you type in Libby. And you will find Libby the Library app. Now, on my phone, it shows that it's installed and I need to do an update. If you don't have Libby on your phone, it will offer to install it for you. So I found that there is a website that replicates the Libby app so that I can share it on my computer and go through the process of getting you set up. So I will share my screen. So after you install the Libby app, you will see something that looks like this. Welcome! Thousands of public libraries offer ebooks and audiobooks for free in Libby. Let me ask you a few questions to guide you to your library. First, do you have a library card? You either click, yes, I have a library card, or not yet. You can stop by the library anytime that we're open to get a library card, or you can give us a call and we can get you set up. You will need to stop by at some point to sign your library registration, but we can get you started using our online services. You can also go to our library catalog to get a temporary online only card. So that is another option. So we are going to click yes, we have a library card. Okay, there are several ways I can help you find your library. How would you like to continue? You can guess your library, search for a library, or recover your data if you already use Libby. So if you're watching this, you're probably a Nagani Public Library patron, so let's search for a library. You can type in Nagani, and it comes up. Great. Great Lakes Digital Libraries is our main Libby app. I will show you later the other libraries that you can use as well. So we click on that. Welcome to Great Lakes Digital Libraries. So you can see different options, including the kids area, teens, magazines, Michigan notable books, UP notable books. But we are going to go back to the top where there is sign in with my card. Okay, let's sign into your account. Where do you use your library card? And you'll notice there are partner libraries as well. But you are part of Great Lakes Digital Libraries as a member of the Nagani Public Library, so let's find Nagani here. And you'll have to scroll through until you get to the Nagani Public Library. Then you're looking for your card number. If you've got a physical library card, it is on that card. It starts with a 261. So and 5 or 6 zeros. I'm going to stop sharing a moment to put in the last few of mine. Let's see, stop share. There we go. And then after you hit next, you will be prompted for your PIN. And then sign in. Okay, so going back to sharing. Okay, you're signed in. Here's your library card, and you can see that it's for Great Lakes Digital Libraries. I've got one book already checked out. I don't have any holds. But you can check out up to 6 items at a time and place 4 holds or requests at a time. Okay, next. Okay, now if you're using a Kindle, you can have the books directly open on your Kindle device or your Kindle app. As you can see here, you can either click Yes, I read with Kindle, or you can skip, or you can completely ignore it. So, if you want to search, there's different subjects, different formats, whether it's available or not, if something is a standalone title, or if it's the first in the series. You can sort by different things like popularity and release dates, when it was last added, the audience, the language that it's in, and what format. Okay, so we are just going to go back here for a moment. At the bottom of the app, you've got a few different icons here. The first is the search. Second brings you to the library homepage. I'm going to come back to the middle one in a moment. The fourth one is your shelf. And the fifth one is tags. So if you listened to a little sample of a book, it'll show up there. Or if you read a little bit of an ebook. So the middle button is a very important button. It is the Libby logo. Okay. So your libraries. This is where it gets fun. You can add library. Okay, so we are going to type in Nagani or our zip code. Okay, matching libraries. It's not just Great Lakes Digital Libraries. We have a lot of other consortia in the state of Michigan that we share resources with. Now, it's going to be a little bit tedious. Each time you select one, you're going to have to sign in with your library card. You do it over and over. This time you'll be looking in the partner libraries. You go through it each time, add your card number, put in your PIN. But then you've got it handy for any time that you search. You might need to choose a deep search. But after that, currently you can have 13 or 14 other library consortia. And so you're not just limited to what Great Lakes Digital Libraries has access to. You've got tens of thousands of other ones. So just to show you what that looks like on my device, let me get there. Okay, so this is backwards in the screen share, but you can see I've got a lot of different libraries available. They've all got different numbers of loans you can have. So that can be yours. And of course, if you need any assistance with any of this, stop by and we can help you with your device. Or you can give us a call and we can try to walk um, you through it on the phone. So thank you very much. I hope this has been a useful video. Thanks for watching.